Today, we're sharing how to make the grab-and-go style guacamole by Avocados from Mexico. We'll start with 2 Stage 4 avocados from Mexico. Check each for a stem and remove. To cut open, insert your avocado tool at the stem and cut around the avocado in half lengthwise. Gently twist the 2 halves to separate. Place your avocado tool at the base of the pit and pop it out by applying upward pressure. Repeat with your second avocado. Insert the avocado tool at the top of each half and scoop the avocado out of its skin and into a large bowl. Season your avocado with salt. Then add fresh lime juice. Mash the avocado until you achieve a mildly chunky texture. Once mashed, add the chopped onion, diced jalapeño, and fresh cilantro. Gently fold all ingredients together with a spatula. Next, gently scoop the guacamole directly into your to-go container. Carefully place the lid on top and press evenly to close, removing any air to prevent oxidization. Place your fresh seal on top for an impressive finishing touch. Now you're ready to serve the convenient grab-and-go guacamole by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.